Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Okay, so we have two methods how we can reset this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first method is simply through the settings, and second is through the recovery mode. And let me show you both of them. So let's begin with the one in the settings. So to do it, we need to open up the settings. Now let's scroll down into the bottom, and let's click on System and Updates. And in here we can click on Reset. Okay, and so to reset, we need to click on Reset Phone. Click on that. Then click on Reset Phone, follow the instruction on the screen, and if you do everything properly, your device will be turned off. And the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device as a brand new. But we can also use the method from the recovery mode, just like I have said. And this method is recommended, for example, when we don't have access to the phone or when it's lagging and it's not working properly. So first, let's turn off our device. Click on Power Off. Let's try again because something went wrong. I don't know why. Power off. Tap again. Okay, now let's wait around 5 seconds. Okay, and now to get access into the recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time until the HUAWEI logo appears. So let's keep holding. Okay, and when it appears, we can release the finger from the power button, but just in case, let's keep holding the volume up. Okay, and now we need to use volume keys to move around this menu. Let's select Clear Data. Now, select Factory Reset. Click the power button. Select Factory Reset, and we also need to type the word yes using our keyboard, just like that. Now click on Factory Reset. Now let's wait a few seconds. Okay, reset successful. We can now click on Back. Now select Restart, type a volume key. And just like in the previous method, now we need to wait until our device will be turned on again automatically. And the next thing we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.